go into the dumpster and look for free materials and risk it. If we can't find anything in the dumpster, then we're fucked. We have to wait in line again to get back into Home Depot. Eco, we just got permission. We just got permission from the employee. They gave us directions on how to get there. Dumpster dive? Risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, the dumpster probably has everything we're looking for, right? Just buy it? Hawaii, do you understand? I don't make any money on this stream. Risk it for the content, all right. Excuse me, boys. I'm streaming live on Twitch, and I'm looking for like wood scraps. And I know I could probably find some in the dumpster. Yeah, outside that way.
That's nice.
Oh shoot,
That's nice.
Can you make it so that no one calls the cops on me? No. They wouldn't. Nice. Okay, just do it. Thank you so much, guys.
Can't you use the duct tape?
I'm just trying to get some sticks.
Or is that too heavy?
Like broken
I was
sticks.
thinking
You
could stick everything together. I mean, someone built a sailboat from wood and duct tape. Or you can use plastic bags.
Plastic bag's not a bad idea. All right. Yeah, that guy did look like Nest, right? Ask what day the garbage men come. The dumpster might be empty. Oh, damn it. How would he know? Excuse me. Do you think Home Depot cleared their dumpsters?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Okay. Jail stream? Shit. All right. You know what? We're going to risk it for the biscuit. We're going to risk it for the biscuit. All right. We basically got permission from the employees. There's no trespassing. They said we're fine. And look, if we don't end up finding the materials, we'll just improvise, and we'll make another kite stream another time. Okay, this is just Sunday. Risk it, hell yeah. Everyone has their nose hanging out of their mask. I know, they're not doing it right. Excuse me.
Yes.
I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
I'm looking to pick the trash, your dumpster, for like broken wood pieces. Do you know when they empty them out?
You're looking to pick the trash for broken wood?
Yeah. I'm trying to make a kite, but like with broken pieces.
No, I would have no idea.
You have no idea?
Sorry.
Can you give me good instructions on how to get there? I know it's outside, but it's like...
Just go straight outside and make a left.
Make a left? From here?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. That is 5 employees that have said it's okay. All right? Chat, everybody shut the fuck up. Snitches get stitches. Don't be a bitch. All right? I'm just trying to live my life. All right? Social justice warriors out. SJW's out. True content kings rise. Everyone that's okay with living a fun life, you can stay in the chat. Everyone else, get the fuck out of here. Yes, that sounded like a green light to me, boys. Look, if worst comes to worst, look, we're not gonna have a kite.